There have been several questions on how to work through these graphs in our assignment, so I'm going to go through a couple of them. First one we're going to look at is an example of question number 6. We are in section 2.1. And assuming that you have done all the information above, they want you to be able to graph by first placing the horizontal and vertical asymptotes. Here, the equation of the horizontal asymptote, because they have the same degree, we would take the leading coefficients. That's going to be y equal to -2. My vertical asymptote would come from the bottom. So -2x minus 2 set equal to 0. I should get x equal to -1. So I'm going to start by going to my graph. I'm going to find where x is equal to -1 and find where y is equal to -2 and click the button. Notice that gives me my vertical and horizontal asymptotes. And now I need to figure out the other part of the graph. I need another point. Do not click your mouse until you are ready to graph your other point. So for example, if we get a y-intercept here is the ordered pair 0, 1. So we would go, oh, bugger it, erased everything I did. All right, so then we would go to the ordered pair 0, 1. And it liked everything except that I did not put in the x-intercepts. Okay. And then we have question number 7, another one where we're asked to graph it, and there have been questions. So here I'm going to start with my x-intercepts. My x-intercepts are at 4 and -4. And then I need to have vertical lines at my vertical asymptote. So I'm going to switch from the point over to the line. I have vertical asymptotes at 3. So I'm going to click. And then I extend out along the line, click again. So that's my first vertical asymptote. My second one is at -3. So I go to, again, where x is -3, and then I plot anywhere on that vertical line. Doesn't have to be in the same spot. I just went up towards that way. And now we need the horizontal asymptote. And our horizontal asymptote, because the degree of the numerator and degree of the denominator are the same, it's the leading coefficient, which is 3. So I'm going to go where y is 3. I'm still using the line, plot a point on y equal to 3. Scan out along the line, y equal to 3. Click your point when you're ready to plot it. And we're all set.